It's not so simple. In fact, it's indescribable. Feelings they hate today. Hello at welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to play Keys That I Never Had by Kolohe on a ukulele. So requested song pa ito ni Kedi Alemo. So salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So first grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So, una tayo sa intro. So, ang chords ng intro ay A, E, then D. Okay? A, E, D. So, sa intro, pwede nyong gawin ay ganito. Strum nyo lang. Yan. E, then D. Or pwede dito na D. Okay? Ganyan. Okay. So, pluck nyo itong dalawa. Pwede ganito. 2 strings. Then, G at E na strings. Ayan. Then, next, same G at E na string. Pero pwede naman dito. And after ito ay dito sa second fret ng E na string, second fret ng C na string, okay? Then balik sa A na chord. Then dito kayo sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret ng E na string. Yan. Ganyan. After nyan, dito na sa D na chord. Then, after nitong D ay dito sa second fret ng A. 4th fret. 5th fret. 4th fret. 2nd fret. Open string. Then, sa open string ay pasok ngayon sa chord na A. Okay? Again, balik tayo. So, sa verse, same A, E, D twice. Then, strumming pattern ay up strum. Then, pagkatapos niyan ay B minor, E, A, D, then B minor, E, D, then E. It's not so simple. In fact, it's indescribable. Feelings they hate today. Moving away, lips to lips astray. How does love grow stronger each and every day? Then sa chorus ay same lang ng verse. A, E, then D. How does love grow stronger each and every day? Your voice has got me drifting. I can't stop missing you. I just wanna kiss you so bad. Kiss that I never had. kiss that I never had. Oh, my heart stops when I look into your eyes, and why do I get hypnotized by you? What do I do? Suddenly we're about to kiss. Hope I don't miss. Feeling is burst inside. Finally cannot hide longer. Feelings get stronger. Your voice has got me tripping. I can't stop missing you. I just wanna kiss you so bad. Kiss that I never had. Yeah, kiss that I never had. Yeah, yeah. Adlib nito ay A, E, D. So sa bridge ay same lang din, A, E, D, pero ang strumming nyo ay down, down. Ayan. Then sa last part ng kanta ay A, E, D, then papasok sa E, then after ng E ay B minor, then A. Okay. Kiss that I never had. Yeah, yeah. How much you held me tight, from knowing what's wrong and knowing what's right. I wanna hold you with all of my mind. You are my sunshine, I'm your planet. I wish I didn't take you for granted. Time's gravity is pulling me away more and more. Your voice got me tripping. I can't stop missing you. I just wanna kiss you so bad. Kiss that I never had. Yeah, yeah. Kiss that I never had. Oh, the kiss that I never had. So yun ang kantang Kiss That I Never Had by Kolohe. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.